Hey guys, welcome to Math Sprout. Today we're learning basic algebra and how to solve simple equations step by step. Algebra is all about finding an unknown number, usually shown as x. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve these on your own. Okay, so what is algebra? Algebra is an equation that shows two things are equal. For example, x plus 5 equals 12. Our goal is to find what x equals. To do that, we isolate the variable, which means getting x by itself. And the most important rule of algebra is whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side. Back to x plus 5 equals 12, which we saw earlier. Since 5 is added, we must subtract 5 from both sides. The 5's cancel out, and then on the other side, we do 12 minus 5. And then from this, we get x equals 7. So that's our answer. Next, let's do x plus 7 equals 15. Since 7 is added, we must subtract 7 on both sides. And then from this, we get x equals 8. To undo subtraction, we must add. So since 3 is being subtracted, we must add 3 to both sides. From this, we get x equals 9. That's our answer. Then here is where it gets a little tricky. For multiplication, you must divide on both sides. So here, you would divide by 2, and then divide by 2. So then x would equal 5. That's our answer. Okay, and then to undo division, we must use multiplication. And then since we're dividing by 3, we must multiply by 3 on both sides. From this, we get x equals 12. That's our answer. And then another important thing to remember is that addition and subtraction undo each other. And then likewise, division and multiplication undo each other. This is very important to remember when doing any type of algebra. Now you can pause the video to try these on your own. Okay, let's check. For the first one, since we're adding 6, we must subtract 6 for both sides. So from this, we get x equals 8. Sorry, Okay, and then for the next one, since we're subtracting, we must add 2 on both sides. So then this cancels out, and then we get x equals 11. On the right side, we have 3x equals 21, so we must divide by 3 on both sides. From this, we get x equals 7. And then for the last one, since we are dividing by 6, we must multiply by 6 on both sides. And then from this, we get 36. And that's our answer. If you got these right, good job. Great job today. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more math lessons. And check out my other videos for more practice. And remember, learn, grow, and go.